In today's video, I want to show you how you can convert any video into any format. It doesn't matter what platform you're on. If you're trying to convert a video, if you're having trouble with the video not being in the correct format, or if your computer for whatever reason won't play it in that format, I will show you exactly how to solve that problem. Now, what you're going to do first is come over to this tool called Wondershare Uniconverter. All right, so you can download this and try it out for free. But if you come over here, you can see the pricing of this tool. One of the reasons why I really like this platform is that you can buy it as a one-time fee instead of a subscription that you have to pay monthly for. Okay, you could pay $80 and you can have this forever. 80 bucks and you can do unlimited conversions. But this is not the only tool that this platform offers. Once you download Wondershare's Uniconverter software, you will see how many different tools it comes with. So they have a whole AI lab for different AI tools, things such as AI image enhancer and the script generator, text to speech, scene detection, auto highlight, which is just like Opus Clip, where it'll pull out different clips from your long video and make automatic reels for you. So it has a bunch of great tools, but the one that I want to show you guys is this one here. It's called Converter, and this is going to allow you to convert either your video or your audio into basically any format or any file that you need. It's super easy and it works instantly, like very, very quick. You'll see how fast it works because I'm going to show you in just a second. As you can see right here, it says high-speed conversion. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and click right here where it says add or drag files. And I'm going to go ahead and bring in a video that I have made before earlier, and this video right now is in an MP4 format. Okay, so now if you want to convert this video into any different type of format, all you're gonna do is come right here to where it says output format. Okay, so right here you'll see where what it is currently. Now come down here and you'll be able to change this to any type of format. So you click on that video tab, and now on the left hand side you can see all these formats. So let's just say, well, as you can see right now it's an MP4, but let's just say that we want to convert our file into a .mov file. Okay, so maybe we're having trouble with that file and we need it to be in a different format so that we can actually play our video. Now over here you can see that you can convert this into MOV, and you can convert it into MOV 4K video, or you could just choose same as source, or you can have all these different other options: 1080p, 720p, 480p, or maybe you just want to convert the audio. So you can click on audio and then you can convert your audio into any different format. So we're just going to go ahead with the video and we're going to convert it into an MOV file. So I'll just go ahead and click on same as source for right now. If you go over here under the advanced tab, you could choose to, if you don't want to bring the audio with it, you can just check that box right there. But I will be, of course, keeping all the audio on the tracks on this video, and so I'm not going to mess with that setting. And I'm just going to go ahead and click convert, and you'll see just how fast this is. And just like that, it's done. It's automatically converted the file from a MP4 into a MOV file. Now right here on this button right here, you'll see open file location. Okay, go ahead and click that and you will see exactly where it's saved it to. So here is the video, and as you can see, it is now a MOV file, and it was just that fast. That was real time. Okay, I did not edit that at all, but it has now converted our file. And like I showed you before, you can convert that into so many different files. So if I just go back over here and I click on this output format and go to video, you will see just how many different file formats you can save it as. Okay, MOV, MKV, HEVC, AVI, WMV, M4V, XVID. All right, so and the list goes on and on and on. So you will have no trouble at all. If you have any problems playing your videos, for whatever reason, if the file is corrupt or it's not playing on your computer only plays a certain type of file, this is going to be the answer and the solution to your problem. It's extremely simple, high-speed conversions. It works instantly and it's super easy. That's one of the things I love about this software, is that everything is very user-friendly. Make sure you guys check out Wondershare Uniconverter if you're in need of a file converter. If you need to convert your audio or any of your videos into any file or any format, you're going to do this super simply with high-speed conversions and an easy user-friendly interface. And for $80 as a one-time payment, you'll never have to worry about it again. So make sure you guys check them out, and I will see you in the next video.